Alright, I've done maintenance on my Ender5-Plus with greasing the Z-rods and adjusting the slot wheels, so time to check the dimensional accuracy with an XYZ calibration cube. So these calibration cubes are meant to be 20 millimeters in each X, Y, and Z dimension. So we'll go ahead and use some calipers and check how this one just printed. It's got the caliper set at 0. And it's always fun videoing with one hand and trying to work a tool like these calipers and show you here, but 20.13, so 20.1, not bad. And that was for the X dimension. Now let's check the Y dimension, and it's also 20.1. So again, it's at least consistent. And finally, now let's check the Z dimension, which is also 20.1. So all three sides of this calibration cube are roughly consistent. It is a little bit high, being 20.1. I would prefer it to be 20.0, closer to that 20 millimeter, but I'll take the consistency for now.